Alright, hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how I took these two TPO extreme trades and caught them for, actually here, I caught this Asia Open for 30 points, or 130 or whatever you like to look at it, and then I took this around 1 a.m. 3 hours before. This was like around Asia close to London Open or some shit like that. I don't even remember. But I took this for 100 points basically. Alright. Where's mine? Just so y'all can get like a better look. And real time, I probably have like a very small stop, since with TPO extremes you don't really expect drawdown, since that's the price. It's time. TPO extremes it's a way of trading time, so you don't expect the market to stay up there like for like longer than a fucking minute, damn near. And this one was over here. I took this back to the extreme for 105. I bet. And why does this look so? Bro, I hate when it looks like that. Like so, like. Wait, bro, I swear I have like OCD over this shit. Look how it's like nice, the color purple. Oh wait, there we go. Okay, wait, there we go. I bet. And yeah, this was natural 3R. And right, yeah, 31 point. Okay. And then this was natural. Oh, bro, this was like a 101. But zero drawdown expected though, so whatever. But yeah, so before I even or actually I'll just show you the more right now. Was it no? What was this? This was Thursday. No. Bro. Friday. Okay, this was today in the morning. I bet. So yeah, all right. That's 3227. 3227. That's over here. Right here. So before I even go over this, actually, I haven't really gone over this yet, but I want to show you guys how I use TPO. Can I get like 4? Okay. There is 2 ways to use TPO. One is, I guess you could say like TPO or new formed TPO profile. And with this, actually, let me just, and then Asia through London TPO once values are quote-unquote set. So there's 2 ways to look at this, and one for trading TPO extremes, I don't trade New York AM with TPO because well, one, I haven't really traded New York AM at all yet with TPO, since that's really early for the time I wake up at. But secondly, it doesn't work as well, since market's a lot more volatile and prices, like, here, let me show you guys for example. this was okay. So we opened during Asia here, right? And we formed our TPO profile. And I saw this, and I saw we had gotten to the extreme point of the profile as soon as it opened. And so I took a market sell and I traded it to the POC. But this is at 3223. 3223. Yeah, this was right here. 223. Like right around here. And as you can see here, like what the fuck, that's not the extreme. This is the extreme. This is the extreme. And that's what I mean when I say there's two ways of using TPO. There's using it as soon as it forms, which is, well, I can't show you guys since it's already formed, but it's using it as soon as it forms. So 223, that gave me what, like right around here. Yeah. And 223. Yeah, as you can see, it got revisited since it had barely been formed. And basically for this, you have to understand that TPO is a measurement of price. And what I like to, if you've traded ICT before, you know that time is fractal, or in general, just like, time is fractal. Like 1 minute, 1 hour, even though it's different, it's all the same. And that kind of applies to the TPO as well. Like, even though I don't even know how to explain this. Okay, basically, as soon as TPO opened, we were trading at the extreme of what the TPO was at open. And our POC at that current given time was, where was it over here? Yeah. We opened our TPO somewhere around this given range based on a 30-minute interval. And on that given range, we had our POC right around here, which as you can see is right around this chop, so it lines up as well. But since this was a newly formed profile, we kept on dumping until we reached a value or an area of fair value where market deemed price was too cheap, and that was which created the TPO extreme. And as you can see, buyers, where is this? Yeah, we had responsive activity, which trades extremes of price back into fair value, and we bring the price back to fair value, which is back around this range over here, and then we trade back to the extreme. And what's this? Price is way too fucking cheap, so we bring it back to fair value. But to show you guys a little bit more on that, okay, what's this at? 3129. Does that right here? 3129. Yeah, we don't have any volume levels. 3129. Well, anyways, yeah. 3129 was the extreme at that current given time, which was London. It was like London Open or some shit. Yeah, this is Asia. Where the fuck is London? Yeah, this was literally like, what, 10 minutes before London? 20? 1. Oh shit, this was an hour before. But as you can see, the way I trade TPO is mainly during Asia and London, since these are times of like balance. There's two ways. If you've read through, or if you know about basic AMT and whatever, you know there's two ways the market moves: balance and imbalance. And the way I trade TPO works best with balanced markets. As you can see, we have, how would I classify this? We have just to like sum it up really quickly, actually. Boom, we have our balanced market here. Since price is just like mainly chopping, even though it's in an uptrend, and then boom, we have this big move down, which is our imbalance, and obviously it fucking busted through pause our TPO, and because of that, I don't like trading TPO during New York. But okay, I have to wrap this video up quick, actually. But yeah, and as you can see, we form our new TPO over here. But to catch this, you'd have to fucking be watching this shit like by the minute, since New York is really volatile. But what's this? 3154, 3154, 154, 154. It's like a little higher. 154 right here. Yeah, that's around where I took my first. No, it was a little higher actually. One of these, don't pay attention too much to these cells actually. One of these was on accident, and then the other one was just me practicing some break-even shit that I got fucked up a little. But yeah, and basically, yeah, that's how I trade TPO. London and Asia, balanced markets, only traded it. If you take away anything from this video, it is that one, only trade TPO extremes during balanced markets. Asia and London specifically work best in my experience. And then to what was the other thing? Only trade them there, and then I mean it's basically it. Wait, what else was I talking about? Well yeah, I guess just that for now, or unless I said something in the video that I'm just forgetting about right now. But what am I missing? Yeah, that looks ugly actually. Okay, wait. And then yeah, if you guys just like skim back to the video, listen to what I said about newly formed TPOs. Like boom, that's how I caught this shit right off Asia Open. And then once again, actually, I don't know if I've talked about this. One thing that you can do besides trading the TPO extremes is also, I probably already talked about this, but look at the last 3 prints. That's what I like to look at. The last 3 prints are like the golden zone for fucking TPO. 1, 2, 3. What is this? Actually, no, not those. Since those are. Well, actually, it's fine. This works. Boom, boom. What are these 3 prints line up with? This is 30, 30, which gives us this, or a little earlier. Is that 30, 30? Tripping? No way. 30, 30, 30, yeah. Okay. 30. Oh, that gives us that right there. Okay, yeah, this is like almost a perfect bottom tick. Wait, this is actually kind of interesting. What the hell? Was it perfect? Or was it? Oh, wait, no. It damn near was. It was off by what? Wait, is this 30? 30, 30, yeah. Right around here. What was this? TPO extreme. Wait, why are we? Okay, 32.8. Damn, we pushed past it. What the hell? Yeah, still only by like fucking 2-3 ticks. But once again, another reason I don't like trading New York. It's way too unpredictable sometimes. Well, it's predictable if you know what you're doing with TPO and volume profile levels and everything, but still. But extreme print was off by three ticks. But like that would never be the case with London or Asia. Like you would fucking get London and Asia levels always. So let me go back and show this one more time actually real quick. Yeah, I recommend, besides trading the extremes, trade the last 3 prints. These 3 prints up, 3 prints up, 3 prints down will always react. Like, let me just mark it out so y'all can see. Boom. What's this at? 32.7 through 32.8. 32.7, that's what right here. Oh wait, that's before, that's the extreme actually. Right around here, 32.8, 27, 27, 27, 27, 27, yeah, that's like right here. Yeah. And I'm guessing 9:30. Yeah, this was before New York opened. New York opened right around here, yeah. So this was TPO extreme before New York opened, which is another reason why I don't like trading. Another reason why I don't like trading New York game, but whatever. But yeah, I hope you guys understood some of that. If not, you guys can always comment video recommendations or anything, and I'll always be happy to share more knowledge and answer any questions.